I would like to call upon stage Miss Deepa Malik. Is not just a name, it is Padma Shri. She is Arjuna Awardee, she is a Paralympian, she is just everything that we can think of.
कि जो इंसान व्हीलचेयर पे बैठता है उसको व्हीलचेयर बाउंड क्यों कहा जाता है? Wheels are a symbol of mobility, wheels are a symbol of progress, wheels are a symbol of moving on, moving forward. But I think कहीं अंदर का एक बाइकर जिंदा था और फिर on the mission of ability beyond disability I decided that I want to be a biker again.
थीम सॉन्ग था which was for Road Trip United. So उसी की कुछ लाइनें गा देता हूँ. That is जो संग चलेंगे आज हम तो कल में होगा इतना दम, गर मुश्किलें हजार हो तो हंस के झेल लेंगे हम. I, the biker, we, the power. If you know, in MotoGP, everyone, everywhere, they get golden helmet after they become world champions. So this is something which also represents like that.
This is my first road show trip, so I never expect like this. How much crowd are there, bikes are there, cars are there.
हम बहुत जुड़े हुए हैं बाइकिंग कम्युनिटी से और मतलब अमेजिंग है यार. मतलब भागते हुए आए हम तो घर से उठे, चलो जी कहाँ जाना है, इवेंट में जाना है जी.
XBHP का बुलावा है, हमें जाना है.
He is the only Arjuna awardee in India in motorsports, Gaurav Gill!
Everyone here is a biker, so you can have a lot of tips from a lot of people here. But be safe and ride in a controlled environment pehle, so that you get some experience.
कार्स और बाइक्स देख के एक नंबर मजा आ रहा है. मतलब एक तो संडे है और ऊपर से वाइब बहुत अच्छी है यहाँ की.
I think if you see the energy right now, it's quite positive. And the people around, especially the women gang, that we are here from Lost Horizons. So it's all positive and it's all the power game.
वाइब्स अमेजिंग है. मतलब फील हो रहा है कुछ हुआ है, तहलका मचा है आज. और जो कैस्ट्रॉल ने पावर करा ना इसको, तो परफॉर्मेंस पता है ना, बूस्ट पे ऑलरेडी जानी थी, तो क्रेजी हो चुका है भाई माहौल आज.
XBHP is a pan-India phenomena. The riding is so regular, so extreme. That's what we are alive for. We were born for this. पैदा इसीलिए हुए हैं हम सब. So it's always a pleasure being here with him and my family, the group of Delhi Super Bikers, and we are always indebted. Keep riding safe, all the gears, all the time. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
XBHP stall. For the first time we have put XBHP stall ever in our own event. And you can see the Aprilia, the Ducati Street Fighter, and there are a few more. The Ultraviolet F77,
of course, the brutal ZX-10R, and the world's largest production capacity motorcycle, the Rocket 3, and there are two more which you unveiled today that are going to go around India on Road Trip United. The Hayabusa and the Apache RR10. And also we have two Mahindra Thar Rocks. Let us not forget this, the BMW M340i. And finally I debuted as a drifter in an event, and I never imagined this would be right here at our own Maxi Festival. And here we have the TVS Salt booth over here with, of course, the new Apache RTX. I still have to ride this. This is Devya from Throttle Wax, and he was the first passenger to drift with me. And we have the waterless wash and wax. This is my absolute favorite. You know why? Because we park all our cars and bikes inside the rooms, so you don't need water, you can't use water anyway, save water. So this is my favorite product. I can't actually wait to smell it.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Yes.
So thank you so much for supporting us.
Yes, we are all proud with you. We were there with you in the first edition.
Yes.
And we'll last long.
This thing over here, this has been done right over here, starting from blank canvas by amazing artists like Sir over here. And you know what, just have a look at what they did. Don't worry, this is a wrap. Let's see some other things. Raman, how was everything?
It was very nice, everything was very well placed, and we also experienced everything in a very friendly manner from your end.
Drifting is all about smoothness, aesthetics, and that's it. So guys, this is it. Enjoy the montage, and we'll catch you.